Hi there, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thanks. Are you also studying?
Yes, I'm reading a history book.
Oh, I love history too.
That's nice. Which subject are you studying?
I'm preparing for an English test.
Good luck with your test.
Thank you. Do you come here often?
Yes, I visit the library every evening.
It's a quiet place to read.
Yes, I like the peace here.
Hi, do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
Same here. I'm your new neighbor.
Oh, really? Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you, I'm Alex.
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Mia.
What kind of books do you read?
I enjoy mystery stories.
Oh, I like mystery too.
Have you read The Secret Room?
No, but I've heard it's good.
You should try it. It's exciting.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to read one book a week.
That's great, I want to do that too.
Reading helps improve English a lot.
Yes, I agree.
Do you like novels or short stories?
I prefer short stories, you?
I like novels more.
What's your favorite book?
Pride and Prejudice.
That's a classic.
Yes, I love the characters.
Who is your favorite author?
Jane Austen. And yours?
Agatha Christie.
Oh, Mystery Queen.
Exactly. I love her books.
How many books have you read this month?
Only 3. You?
I've read 5.
Wow, you're a fast reader.
Thanks. I enjoy reading a lot.
What time do you usually come here?
Around 5 p.m., you?
I come around the same time.
That's nice. We can study together.
Yes, I'd like that.
Do you bring snacks with you?
No, I don't eat here.
Me neither. Rules are strict,
Yeah, no food allowed.
but I do bring water.
That's smart. Stay hydrated.
Right. Do you use the library computer?
Sometimes for research.
I mostly use it for typing.
Do you have a library card?
Yes, I got it last year.
I just got mine last week.
That's great. You can borrow books now.
Yes, I borrowed 2 books today.
What are their titles?
English for Beginners and Sherlock Holmes.
Both are good choices.
Thanks. What did you borrow?
A grammar book and a novel.
Do you read books in English only?
Mostly English, sometimes in my language.
What's your native language?
Hindi. And yours?
Mine is Tamil.
Oh, nice.
It's fun to learn new languages.
Yes, it opens the mind.
Do you write in English too?
A little. I write a diary.
That's great, I do that too.
It helps with vocabulary.
Yes, and with sentence structure.
Do you speak English at home?
Sometimes with my sister.
That's good practice.
How did you learn English?
Watching movies and reading books.
Same here.
Do you watch English cartoons too?
Yes, they are simple and fun.
I like Peppa Pig.
Me too.
Do you want to read together tomorrow?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great. Let's meet at 5 p.m.
Done. See you tomorrow.
See you. Bye.
Hi again, Mia.
Hey, Alex, you're on time.
Yes, I came early today.
That's good. I found us a table.
Perfect, let's sit here.
Did you finish yesterday's book?
Yes, I really liked it.
Great. Which part was your favorite?
The mystery twist in the middle.
That was clever, right?
Very clever. What are you reading now?
A book about space.
Wow, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it talks about planets.
I've always liked science topics.
You should read this book next.
Okay, I'll note the name.
It's called Exploring the Universe.
Got it. Thanks for the suggestion.
You're welcome.
Do you read before bed too?
Yes, every night.
That's a good habit.
It helps me sleep better.
I'll try that from today.
Do you read aloud or silently?
Silently. Aloud feels strange.
I read aloud when I'm alone.
That's brave.
It helps with speaking skills.
I want to speak better too.
Let's practice speaking together.
Great idea.
We can choose a topic each day.
Yes, today's topic books.
Perfect, let's begin.
I like books with pictures.
I like books with deep stories.
Reading makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel smart.
That's true.
Do you read newspapers too?
Only sometimes. You?
I read the kids' newspaper.
Oh, I've seen that one.
It's full of fun facts.
Do you like comic books?
Yes, I love them.
Who's your favorite comic character?
Tintin. And yours?
I like Cha-Cha Chaudhary.
Haha, smart choice.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am.
Let's visit the big library in town.
That's a lovely idea.
We can find new books there.
And maybe join the reading club.
Yes, I heard about that.
They meet every Sunday.
Let's join together.
Done. I'll tell my parents.
Me too. I'm excited.
Our reading journey just got better.
Yes, thanks to this library. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this easy English conversation. Practice speaking English every day to improve fluency. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more fun English videos. Beginner English Zone. Learn English the easy way.